Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok search optimization feature. Now to use TikTok search optimization feature in 2026, you should focus on the creator search insight tool to align your content with real-time user demand. Now to access this search optimization feature, go ahead and open your TikTok application. Then tap on this search bar. From there, type in Creator Search Insights. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, you should be able to find this Creator Search Insight option and also a view option right next to it. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, you should be able to find all the trending topics over here, or select yourself a specific topics like fashion, food, sports, hobbies, science and tech, dance, etc. Now, all you have to do is select one of these topics and you should be able to find their top contents or top search demands by viewers. Now, once you see this, you should be able to also find certain tools, like by tapping on this all tools, you should be able to find AI outline tools, AI canvas, and even analytics. You can also see the saved options or the contents that have been saved by viewers. You should be also able to find this content gap option, which also shows the live going content gaps between all the users, and that is how to use this insight tool. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your content creation journey, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.